At Innova, we design and fit out complex care environments with specialist equipment, fixtures, and furniture. We have 4 divisions to the business: multi-user, domestic, servicing, and major works. Our multi-user division specialises in the design and installation of specialist healthcare equipment and furniture. Whether as a full turnkey design and install package or an individual item, we consolidate multiple specialist packages into one streamlined solution, saving contractors and clients time and money. Our design-led approach ensures compliance with all necessary standards and guidance while still creating beautiful interiors. Our market-leading innovative products guarantee long-term performance and functionality. More than just suppliers, we create high-quality environments that help enhance the quality of life of those living and working within them.
Most of the environments we are working in are catering for those who are physically disabled. Within the multi-user sector, this is typically SEN schools, palliative care environments for those with cancer, and brain injury rehabilitation and care centres.
Each classroom has its own hygiene room and we've ensured that we have hoisting systems in all of our classrooms, all of our teaching spaces, and we've got a state-of-the-art hydrotherapy pool. The products absolutely meet our needs, not just now, but also into the future as we are a growing school.
Whether it's a single hoist or a hydrotherapy suite in someone's home, we take care of everything from the design stage all the way to installation and create beautiful and bespoke spaces that enhance the lives of the user and their family.
Innova have really helped us, from day one. It was a marvellous rep who came from Innova, and he broke it all down. He understood William's condition and what was the best equipment for him to use. I'm so pleased that we went with Innova. That was the best thing we've ever done, I think.
We pride ourselves on really understanding our customers' needs and delivering quality, design-led solutions that combine multiple specialist packages into one seamless service.
Many clients use Innova because of our expertise and design-led solutions. This guarantees fully compliant installations under every opportunity to design out clinicalism.
Addressing the complex care needs of those at home with disabilities requires an approach which is both highly functional and empathetic. The right design can have an enormous impact on a person's quality of life, so it's really important that we get that right.
At Innova, we understand how critical it is to keep healthcare equipment running smoothly, not just for efficiency, but for the well-being of those who rely on it. That's why our servicing department offers planned and preventative maintenance packages, delivering expert care for your equipment nationwide. With bases across the UK, our engineers can respond to breakdowns within just 3 hours, ensuring rapid, reliable support. Trained across multiple manufacturers, we achieve a high first-time fix rate, covering both Innova and third-party equipment. This is all backed up by our streamlined online asset management portal, which gives our customers full visibility of the equipment's status and service history anytime, anywhere. Our Major Works division is centred on the design and build of specialist healthcare environments throughout the UK. These are large-scale construction projects where we employ our disciplined methodology, which carries every project to success. We first gather a deep understanding of the project requirements and challenges, craft a compliant and coordinated design package, carry out construction with minimal disruption and utmost care in both planning and on-site, and post-completion provide rigorous maintenance and support to ensure longevity and safety of the care environments.
Innova's Major Works division has been set up specifically to help major works projects, mainly large-scale refurbishments and small new builds. We focus very much on environments where there's a lot of specialist equipment going in.
On time, on budget, with no snagging and a seamless delivery from start to finish. That's our speciality and something we're able to provide at any scale.
Our team is made up of experts in healthcare design, product innovation and customer care, all passionate about enhancing quality of life for those living and working in the environments which we help create.